Mini projectors have come a long way, and the P15 Mini DLP Projector is a perfect example of how compact design doesn't mean compromising on performance. This is a device designed for people who want the full home theater experience without the bulk of traditional projectors. Its pocket-friendly size makes it ultra-portable, yet it's capable of delivering surprisingly large, high-quality visuals. The first thing to notice is the DLP technology. DLP delivers sharper images with enhanced contrast and vibrant colors compared to standard LED projectors. Movies, TV shows, and even gaming look more immersive thanks to this technology. Details pop, colors are richer, and shadows are deeper, giving you a cinematic experience even in smaller rooms. Portability is one of the biggest advantages here. The P15 Mini is small enough to carry in a bag or even a large pocket, yet it can project up to 120 inches. That's an enormous display for such a compact device. Whether it's a living room movie night, a presentation at work, or an outdoor screening, this projector makes it incredibly easy to enjoy large visuals anywhere. The built-in Android system sets this mini projector apart from most competitors. With direct access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, streaming content is straightforward. There's no need for extra cables or devices. Everything you need is in the projector itself. Navigation is smooth, responsive, and intuitive, giving a smart TV-like experience in a mini form factor. Another impressive feature is 3D compatibility. If you enjoy 3D films or want to create a more immersive cinematic experience, the P15 Mini handles it effortlessly. Combined with its built-in audio, the projector delivers surprisingly solid sound without additional equipment. Of course, for enhanced audio, external speakers can also be connected. Battery life and wireless usage make the device even more versatile. It's perfect for outdoor events, temporary setups, or areas without easy access to power outlets. Despite being small, its brightness and clarity hold up well in moderately lit environments. This makes it flexible for both casual entertainment and professional use. Connectivity is extensive with HDMI, USB, and wireless casting options. Whether you're connecting a laptop for work, streaming from a smartphone, or playing a game console, the setup is simple. Switching between devices is quick, making it a versatile tool for both entertainment and productivity. Design-wise, the P15 Mini is sleek and minimalistic. Its compact build looks modern and professional, while the lens cover ensures the optics remain protected during transport. Overall, it's a projector that blends portability, performance, and convenience without compromise. In short, the P15 Mini DLP Projector offers big screen performance in a tiny package. From streaming apps and 3D films to outdoor movie nights or presentations, it brings flexibility, high-quality visuals, and solid audio in a portable design. It's a smart choice for anyone looking for a convenient, feature-packed mini projector.